welcome back to my channel. If today is your very first time of coming through to this channel, thank you so very much. Your presence here is so much welcome. And if you have been here before you subscribe to this channel and you decided to come back to watch this video, you know how much I appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming back. Now the thing is this, do you actually know that there are things that you love to do, there are hobbies you already have, and you enjoy those hobbies a lot? But did you know that you can actually be earning money while you're engaging in things that you love to do? So this channel is Online Cash Craft. Here all we talk about is how you can earn money online. Yeah. So if you're like me that love to make money here and there online, you are on the right channel and you might want to stick around with me as I'm gonna take you through a journey and show you different ways that you can make money while enjoying what you love to do. The very first platform I'll be showing you today is a platform that allows people to earn money from them while those people are still enjoying the habits they love. The habit like watching videos, streaming videos, playing online games, making quizzes and surveys. So this platform allows you to enjoy those things that you love to do while you're earning money on their platform. So without wasting much of your time, the very first platform that I'll be showing you today on how you can make money online is a platform that is called Affiliate Top. So Affiliate Top, all you need to do is you go to your Google and you type in Affiliate Top. So you get to the platform and this is how it looks like. All profit from trading platforms in one place. That's what the platform says. And this is all about trading, becoming their affiliate. You know what affiliate marketing is. It's all about you promoting other people's products and in return you get paid a commission. So that is what this platform is all about. Now, whose product are you going to promote on this platform? Just stay with me and I will show you. The plan is simple. You bring new users to high converting platforms, we pay you. So because it's an affiliate program platform, all you need to do is you just introduce new users. When you introduce new users, they will pay you because you're an affiliate for this platform. They have over 100,000 plus affiliates work with Affiliate Top every day. This affiliate platform is about trading. People that are into trading can tell you that there's a lot of money to be made when it comes to trading. That says start earning. Let's check out the payment method. Under the payment method, you see how you're going to be paid. Can easy withdrawals. So it's not a question of how are you going to withdraw your money when you make it on this platform. No. And they have a profit plans, revenue and turnover share or custom plans. Make profit the way you prefer. So actually you are the boss of your own. You call the shot here on this platform. You decide how you want to make your profit, entirely up to you. And they promise to help you get started via Telegram, Skype or WhatsApp. The platforms you can use to get started, they are easy and simple. They make it accessible to everyone. This is something you can do anywhere you are. You are not restricted by location to do this. So basically, all you need to make profit is interest in trading. Everything else catches up in a few days. So what is the steps that you have to take for you to become the affiliate partner in this program? Step 1, sign up and you're already a partner. Step 2, share your links. Users signed up via your affiliate links will be tied to your account. So obviously when you sign up, they will give you your special link. Now the special link is what you will take outside of the platform to share with your users in your other social media platforms. For instance, if you have a YouTube channel, you can share your link via your YouTube channel. If you have a TikTok account, you can share your link. If you have Instagram, Facebook, of those platforms, you can share your link. Now, the third step is you attract traders. So this is the way, the format that you can use to promote this link that they're going to give you as an affiliate marketer. Banners, ads, and social media channels. They have all proved to work very well for this affiliate program. The first stage is you will start making profit. Get paid weekly for deposit and activity of your traders. So when you actually introduce someone and they start making money on the platform, you get paid because they came to the platform via your affiliate. So that is how this works, guys. This is a good opportunity for you to make money online using this particular platform. How do you start if you want to become the affiliate marketer for Affiliate Top? All you need to do, sign up, like I just said, confirm your email, which they will send to you. Remember to leave us your contact while signing up. So they will need your contact details, Telegram, Skype, or WhatsApp, so your personal manager can contact you and help to get you started. So obviously you sign up, you have a personal manager. You have a personal manager assigned to you that will take you step by step through the process, because they want to earn money and they want you to earn money. The more affiliate marketers you bring, the more partners you bring to the platform, the more money you're going to earn. And as you bring more partners, they will also earn more money. That's the way it works, guys. So how to start earning, right? First step, sign up on Affiliate Top. Then choose a profit plan. Copy your personal affiliate link and share it with your audience. To start earning, there have to be 5 or more sign-ups via your affiliate link, and at least 5 FTDs. That is first-time deposits. Once you have $10 or more on your Affiliate Top account, you will start receiving weekly payouts. So you can agree with me that their weekly payout is amazing, because you will only need to have $10 in your account for you to withdraw it. So nice to know, the more users and FTDs you attract, the higher your profit will get. So it's kind of you climbing a ladder. The more you get people to sign up to this platform, the higher you will get up there, and the higher you get, the more money you are making. So this is it, guys. And yeah, I'm gonna take you to the second platform that we want to access this day to find out how we can earn money online. So go nowhere. Okay, guys, the second platform I'll be introducing to us today is a platform that is called Instag. Yeah, so with Instag, they actually pay you for doing what you are already doing online, like watching videos. We all know that we are always online doing stuff. So the things that you already love to do online, these are the things that you expected to do on the platform, and you get paid. Watching videos online, completing surveys, and all that such things, and watching video games as well. So you do these things and you earn money on the platform. So let me not waste your time. I'm gonna take you straight to Instag and show you step by step how you can complete this task and get paid some money. Yeah, okay, so the very first thing we'll need to do, if you go to your Google, you type in Instag, right, and it brings you to their platform. You would have to sign up. So when you can sign up with using your Facebook or Gmail account. So when you sign up, what they expect of you is a little bit of information, right? So the information, email address, you create a password, you give them your name, first and second name, and yeah, so that's it. You check on where it says you've read and agreed to their guidelines and all that. Now they're gonna send you an email to your inbox. You have to go to your inbox and confirm the email address just to verify it. So when you've done all that, you go back and you log into the platform. So when you log in, this is what you're going to see on the platform. This is how the platform looks. This is now when you come here on the platform, you're gonna click on here that says earn. That's what you're gonna click on, earn points by completing any of the offers below. So you can see the offers they have. Anyone you complete, you get some money. So go ahead, you complete surveys. But if you want to watch videos, remember I told you there are different ways in which you can earn using this platform. So we'll click on watch videos, and you can see the videos they have for you to watch and earn. That is how simple this platform is, guys. Lots and lots of video. So you click here that says start earning. That means you want to start watching the videos, right? Yeah, so you can also earn by shopping online. You can, so many different ways that you can earn money using this particular platform, right? And so redeem, how do you actually redeem the money that you have earned? You redeem the money by gift cards. You can redeem your money by Bitcoin or through payment into your PayPal account. So you can see there are different options here for you to get your money. You can also donate your money to charities. You know, there are people that make money and they love to give back to the community. So this is a good avenue whereby you can actually give back to the society. You know, you can donate whatever you're earning to charity of your choice. Particular program has been on since 2011 till date. How can you actually promote this program? They have a referral link, which means you can become their affiliate. Referral link is you just copy the link and take it outside of this platform to your social media platforms. So when someone clicks on that link and join them, you get paid some money. So that is what that is all about. And just copy my referral link and share it. And when I do that, I receive 10 points straight away. You can see use either link below to refer friends, family to Instag. Receive 10 points, right, for each that signs up. You can see, so it's pretty so easy. Now you can refer, you have a referral link, you have promotional banners that you can use to promote this platform. And they also provide you with promotional pages as well. Agree with me that this platform is good. You see, they have a lot of information that could help whoever is interested to navigate around this platform. Okay guys, the third platform that I'm going to be showing us today that we can actually use to earn money online is a platform that is called Super Pay Me. Yeah, you can hear the name. This platform, how do you earn money through them? The way you earn money is you watch videos, you complete surveys, you engage on offer trials, you play video games online, and so many other ways that you can earn money online through their platform. So I'm going to take you and show you step by step how you can achieve all of this. Super Pay Me is a paid survey for money. If you want to make money online, you go register with Super Pay Me. So you go to Google, you type in Super Pay Me, and you click on this first one here. And this is how the platform looks like. The amazing thing about this platform is you can cash out, you know, with Amazon, PayPal, Wise, Skrill. You know, there are so many different ways you can cash out your money. A platform to join, guys. So how do you join? It is a free platform to join. You just click here that says join for free. You sign up. Make money online, get paid for surveys. But don't get it wrong, it's not just surveys that they run on this platform that can earn you some money. Everyone has an opinion. Smart people get paid for it. Cash out instantly from as little as $1. Wow, this is good, guys. You don't need to leave your money on their platform. The moment you get as little as $1, you are allowed and permitted to cash out, right? This is it. So amazing. And see our 3,668 reviews on Trustpilot. So if these people are not trusted, if this platform is not trusted, you wouldn't be getting this high number of reviews through Trustpilot. And they have 4.4 rating. Get paid the same day thanks to our 8-hour payment promise. So they promise to pay within 8 hours. Cash out via PayPal for as little as $1. Alternatively, use one of our e-gift card options. Get 247 support to help make sure you get paid on time, right? So this is the top benefit that you get when you are signed up to this platform. So that is it for today. You can see the platform is very simple to navigate. And all you need to do, like we have demonstrated, is for you to just sign up and you start earning money by doing the things that you already love to do, right? So let me quickly say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do give me a subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever you upload any new video, you will be the first to be notified. And don't forget to like this video, guys. Thank you so much for staying around with me, and I hope to see you in my next video. You might want to watch the video up there, right? There's a video up there. You might want to watch that, and let me know in the comment section if you have any questions on this particular platform that we shared. Put your comments in the comment section, and yeah, I'll be happy to read those comments. Once again, thank you for staying with me.